Have you ever wondered how your phone knows your face, how YouTube knows the video you want to enjoy, or how the computer can right now create images and even help people solve their problems? This is the power of artificial intelligence, or simply put, AI. But here's the interesting part. A lot of people are using AI every day without even realizing it. So what exactly is AI? How does it work? And why is everyone suddenly talking about it? In this video, we are going to break it down in the simplest way possible. Welcome to TAI, where we make artificial intelligence simple, practical, and easy for everyone. Let's start with a big question. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a technology that allows machines and computers to perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. Now, when we say human intelligence, we are talking about things like understanding language, recognizing pictures, solving problems, learning from experience, and making decisions. For many years, these were things only humans could do, but today, computers can also perform some of these tasks using AI. For example, AI can help you write a document, create an image from just a description, translate a language, summarize a long article, or even generate ideas for your next project. Now, you might be asking, how does AI actually work? Think about how humans learn. When a child sees a dog for the first time, they might not know what it is. But after seeing many examples of big dogs, small dogs, different breeds, the child begins to understand what makes something a dog. AI learns in a similar way. Instead of learning from personal experiences, AI learns from huge amounts of data. It studies information, finds patterns, and uses these patterns to provide answers or complete tasks. The more it learns, the better it becomes at certain activities. Now, let's look at some types of AI you probably already know. First, we have generative AI. This is the type of AI that has become very popular recently. Generative AI can create new things. It can write text, create images, generate videos, produce music, and even help programmers write computer code. Tools like ChatGPT are examples of generative AI. The second type is computer vision. This is when AI helps machine understand images and videos. For example, when your smartphone recognizes your face to unlock your phone, that is AI working. When doctors use technology to analyze medical images, AI can also assist with that process. The third type is AI assistants. These are AI tools designed to help us complete everyday tasks. They can help you write emails, organize your work, answer questions, plan activities, and save time. But here is something many people don't realize. AI is already part of our lives. When YouTube recommends a video you might like, AI is involved. When Google completes your search before you finish typing, AI is helping. When social media platforms decide the content that appears on your feed, AI is working behind the scenes. So AI is not just a future technology, AI is already here. Now, one question many people ask is, should we be afraid of AI? The answer depends on how we choose to use it. AI is a tool. Just like the internet, smartphones and computers change the way we work, AI will also change the way we learn, create, and do business. The people who understand how it is used will have new opportunities. The goal is to learn how to work with AI. So, to summarize, artificial intelligence is technology that allows machines to perform tasks that usually requires human intelligence. AI learns from information, recognizes patterns, and uses these patterns to create, solve problems, and work more efficiently. And this is only the beginning. In the next episode of TAI Beginner Series, I will show you how to create your first ChatGPT account and use it step by step. If this video helped you understand AI better, subscribe to TAI and join us as we explore the world of artificial intelligence in a simple and practical way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.